Spot trading on Binance, Auto Invest. In this video, we're diving into two of Binance's most popular trading features, which are spot trading and auto invest. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, understanding these tools can be a game changer for your crypto journey. We'll break down how each feature works and show you why they've become favorites among Binance users. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest updates. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up next. As I always mention in my videos, an important thing you should note is that you have to create and maintain a Binance account to access the platform's services. If you're finding it difficult to open an account, I have made a video on that, so be sure to check it out. When opening your Binance account, I want you to pay attention to the option that says Referral ID. If you use my referral ID, T7J9MB5J, you will get an extra 20% off on the trading rates you have to pay for every trade that you make on the exchange. All you have to do to get that 20% off is go to the Referral ID drop-down and click on it. After that, a field will open where you'll type in my referral code. I will also leave the code in the description below. Once you use my referral code, you will get an extra 20% off your trading fees, which could end up being a lot of money, especially if you are planning to do a lot of trading on Binance. Now, let's get back to our focus in this video. So Binance spot trading is a key feature on the Binance platform that enables users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies at current market prices. This method of trading, unlike other trading methods, such as futures or options trading, involves the direct exchange of cryptocurrencies without the use of leverage or predetermined contract terms. Through Binance spot trading, users can access a broad selection of cryptocurrencies, including well-known ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other altcoins. Binance's spot trading market is known for its high liquidity, allowing traders to execute their trades swiftly and efficiently. The platform offers real-time price updates, ensuring that users have access to the most accurate market data available. A major advantage of Binance spot trading is its user-friendly interface. The Binance trading platform is designed to be intuitive and accessible to both novice and experienced traders. The interface includes market charts, various order types like limit, market, and stop limit orders, as well as a trade history section, all designed to provide a seamless trading experience. To begin trading on Binance Spot, you need to create an account on the Binance exchange. Once your account is ready, you can deposit funds into your Binance wallet. Binance offers flexibility by supporting a wide range of cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies for deposits. Navigating Binance's trading interface is simple and user-friendly. You can easily access market charts to analyze price trends, track your favorite cryptocurrencies, and make informed decisions. Additionally, you can choose between market orders, which execute trades at the best available price, or limit orders, which let you set specific prices at which you want to buy or sell cryptocurrencies. To succeed in Binance spot trading, it's advisable to conduct fundamental and technical analyses to help identify potential investment opportunities. Now, let's move to Binance Auto Invest. Investing in cryptocurrencies often requires careful analysis of price charts and spotting the right opportunities, which can be stressful depending on your strategy and goals. However, Binance's Auto Invest feature offers a way to simplify this process. With Auto Invest, you don't need to interrupt your daily tasks to execute trades because the system handles it for you, making the investment process less demanding. This feature offers a convenient way to regularly invest in cryptocurrencies without requiring your constant attention. Auto Invest enables you to put your idle assets to work by automatically purchasing crypto using a dollar-cost averaging strategy, so you don't have to constantly monitor your trades. The dollar-cost averaging strategy is a long-term approach that lets you invest a set amount of money at regular intervals, whether that's weekly, monthly, or according to your schedule. To get started with Binance Auto Invest, log into your Binance account. From the homepage, navigate to the Earn section and choose Auto Invest from the available options to begin setting up your investment plan. Binance Auto Invest provides several benefits compared to manual trading. By automating your investments, it reduces the influence of emotional factors like fear, doubt, and greed. This automation also ensures you maintain a consistent trading approach and regular investment schedule without the need to constantly set up trades. Additionally, using Auto Invest saves time by letting the system manage your investments, allowing you to focus on other activities. And with that, we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you stay up to date with our latest content. I'll see you in the next video.